Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Heath, and today in this video we're going to do a quick tire change. Well, I don't know how quick a tire change it is because I ain't no tire guy. But we ordered a new set of shoes for the front of the tractor because the old ones are getting pretty toasted. So we ordered a new set, and this tractor comes with 9.5/24s. As you can see, we actually ordered 11.2/24s to hopefully aid in increased wear and not having to change a set of tires every 2 years, and the flotation, big time. So we're going to see if we can make these boogers fit on the tractor. From all my research, everyone says that it's easily doable. But and I think it will be, because I truly don't think there's that crazy, terribly large amount of difference in them. But we'll see.